Alright, y'all. You see how all that's growed up? Well, it's fixing to change. You had to move the bulldozer because he's fixing to clear all that out. Well, y'all, today's a little different. I'm sharing with y'all some of this stuff they're doing outside. We're not in the kitchen. He's moving this old trailer. I know there's bees in it. And this over here, they're fixing to clear all this out to give him more room for his stuff. And I might even talk him into letting me putting some baby pigs over here. He just don't know it yet. But all this is fixing to be cleared out. I don't know where that come from. That must be somebody else's bucket. Had to move his bulldozer because he usually keeps it parked right there. But he's fixing to get all that clear. So y'all get to see what it's going to look like when we're done. And here's the crazy man. So I'm helping. Well, he's moving it. This right here is an old bulldozer. But you can turn the key and she fires right up. It don't look like it would. But she'll crank on the first turn. Ooh, it's thundering. Hey, ladies. You can see through the woods already, y'all. Not gonna take long. Big change. A lot more space. Right here's where the logs used to be for the groundhog. And all that's gone. I think it looks a lot better. What do y'all think? Comment down below. That used to be just all growed up. There was a lot of blackberries in there, but you couldn't get to them. And then right here was where it started. If I can walk. It used to be growed up like all right in here. So he's got all that cleared out. One more load to get out. Well, all of it's gone. This is what it's looking like. I think that's their last load. And there's those big old rocks we've always had back here covered up. Well, y'all, thanks for watching today's video. We're not in the kitchen today, but I still made a video. I hope y'all liked today's video, and if you do, don't forget to hit the hype button, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe if you hadn't already. And like always, thanks for watching.